Alright guys, so today we're going to be fixing the C63, so let's begin by just stopping the car and popping the hood. First of all, we're going to get rid of this stupid fake AMG 2-liter engine and of course the electric motor which no one needed or asked for. And lastly, the big heavy batteries which even the trash will have a better use for than a C63, which we're going to bring back to its roots with a real AMG V8. Alright, that's job done. Now we're gonna do some work in the headlights, both the LED part but also the overall shape, which I first made narrower but then decided it's better to just have a bigger, boxier shape which would match this car better. Then there's this stupid line over here which doesn't match with the window line, just like in the M5 I just fixed. So we're gonna fix that and then touch up the entire car to just kind of match everything up and polish everything to where it should be. I think a bit of a bigger grille will make this car look more aggressive and simply nicer, as well as some sharper lines overall all along its body. And now our car is ready. So this is the old one, which has, as you can see, it's a bit more laid back and has softer, smoother lines. Meanwhile, the new version with the V8 actually lives up a little bit more to the C63 name. It's a subtle change because, to be honest, the first version wasn't ugly or anything. It just needed some slight improvements, and I think this is kind of how I imagined it. So there's even more of a difference if you go and watch my M5 video where I actually made some big improvements in the body of the car. And thanks for watching. See you in the next one.